Hello and welcome back everyone to my class. Today I am going to discuss two important questions for final examination from the chapter 8, and the chapter name is Human Health and Disease. So the first question is, discuss the immune system of our body. Answer: immunity can be defined as the ability of our body to resist the infection caused by pathogens. It is of two types. Number A, innate immunity, and number B, acquired immunity. Innate immunity. This non-specific immunity is acquired since birth. Acquired immunity. This is pathogen specific and characterized by memory. A primary response of low intensity is produced by our body on its first encounter to a pathogen. A secondary response of higher intensity is produced on subsequent encounters to the same pathogen, which is ascribed to the memory of the fighter cells to recognize the pathogens in the first encounter. The immune response are of two types: humoral immune response and cell-mediated immune response. These responses are produced by two types of lymphocytes, B and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes. These produce proteins in our blood called antibodies in response to pathogens. T lymphocytes. These help B lymphocytes to produce antibodies. Humoral immune response. The humoral response involves the production of specialized antigen sensitive cells, the B lymphocytes, also called B cell. These produce antibodies against specific antigen. Hence, humoral immune response is also known as antibody mediated immune response. Cell mediated immune response. This immune response develops not only against pathogens but also against fungi and protists that invade the host cells. The specialized cells recognize the cells of their own and work against transplants or even fight against the cancerous cells. The most important characteristics of cell-mediated immune response is that it distinguishes between self and non-self. The cell-mediated immune system is formed by the T lymphocytes, also called T cell. These carry antibodies instead of releasing them into the bloodstream. They directly attack the specific antigen. Now we write about the cells of the immune system. Lymphocytes, a type of agranular WBC, that means white blood corpuscle, are the chief cells in immune system of the body. These are of two types on the basis of their origin of formation: B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Both B and T lymphocytes need an antigen to trigger them into action, and they are formed from the stem cells of liver in embryo and in bone marrow cells in adults, called hemocytoblasts, but undergo further differentiation at different sites. The stem cells which migrate to thymus and differentiate under its influence are called T lymphocytes, and those which continue the process in bone marrow are called B lymphocytes. The young lymphocytes subsequently migrate to the lymphoid tissue such as spleen, lymph nodes and tonsils, where they finally mature and circulate within the body along with plasma. Both B cells and T cells are produced memory cells in the body. The memory cells remain dormant in the lymph nodes for years, and when the body of the organism is exposed to the same antigen, they highly proliferate to produce active cell to produce antibody against specific antigen. Here I include a figure for process of formation of B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. In this figure, lymphocytes are originate from stem cells of bone marrow, but in case of embryo, they originate from stem cells of liver. Some lymphocytes matured in the bone marrow or in bursa of fabricus in birds. So they are called B lymphocytes and they take part in humoral immune system. Some lymphocytes matured in the thymus, so they are called T lymphocytes, and T lymphocytes take part in cell-mediated immunity. And the second question is, write the various components of immune system. Answer. The various components of immune system are: A. B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes are white blood cells developed in the bone marrow and make antibodies. Number B. Antibodies. Antibodies are special proteins created by white blood cells that defend the body against specific bacteria and viruses that enter the body fluid like blood and lymph. They are also called immunoglobulin. Number C. Antigen. An antigen is a substance which, when introduced into a living animal, evokes specific immune response. Number D. T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes are white blood cells and helps B lymphocytes to produce antibodies. They mature in the thymus and differentiate into memory, cytotoxic, helper and regulatory T cells. Cytotoxic T cells. They are the primary effector cells of adaptive immunity. Memory T cells. They are derived from activated cytotoxic T cells. Memory T cells are long-lived and antigen experienced. Helper T cells. Helper T cells secrete cytokines that help B cells differentiate into plasma cells. Regulatory T cells. Regulatory T cells help to suppress the immune system. That's it for today's video. Thank you.